online courses that every student must take it. So my number one course is digital marketing. Certificate in digital marketing. This is powered by Google. So Google give them this free kind of courses from here. So you can go to view this course. Then you see here enroll start from 8th of December. You can start this enrollment in 8th of December. So you can what are the syllabus for that you can see here what you will learn. You can learn the fundamentals of digital marketing. Then you can see here email marketing. Then you can see here search engine optimization or show here. Then you can get the skill required for the e-commerce. Then display advertisement and marketing. All these things you can skill you will get it.